Friends, welcome back to ABS Tech channel. Hope you're fine. Now in this video I'm going to show you the live price prediction. The live price change occur in the Filecoin in the previous last 1 hour, in the last 2 hour. I'm going to show you in this video. So before starting this video, if you don't subscribe my channel, kindly subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates. Now let's see the price prediction of Filecoin. What's the price change occur in the Filecoin in the last 2 hour, in the last 1 hour. First we see the last 2 hour result of the Filecoin in the cryptocurrencies market. As you can see now, that is the live price prediction of Filecoin in the previous 2 hour. So if we look the chart analysis, they take a dump and take a jump, as you can see here. So it's a travel equally, take a dump and take a jump, as you can see here. Take a dump and take a jump. This type of this travel is continue of the Filecoin. As you can see now on the graph, it is clear. So if we talk about the changes of Filecoin, so the changes is absolutely good. As you can see here, positive 0.39% change occur in the Filecoin in the previous last 2 hour. And if we talk about the amount of the Filecoin, so its amount is about 154.7 dollar is the high price of Filecoin in the last 1 hour. Absolutely high amount. So if you want to invest in a Filecoin, so I think it's a big opportunity for you, because now currently they are jumping upward. So that is the live price prediction of Filecoin in the last 2 hour. Now let's see what's the price predictions occur in the last 1 hour. What's the price changes, what's the high price of Filecoin in the last 1 hour. As I told you, now currently at this time they jumping upward, as you can see here. So if you want to invest in a Filecoin, it's a big opportunity. Now currently they are in jumping upward. So the changes is about last 1 hour is about positive 0.88% change occur in the Filecoin in the previous last 1 hour. And the high price of the Filecoin is about $154.7 is the high price of Filecoin. So that is the live price prediction of Filecoin in the last 1 hour, in the last 2 hour. You are watching now on ABS Tech channel. So if you want this kind of more videos, please subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and update about cryptocurrency market.